Hi allesammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to make a complaint in Norwegian. If you're living, traveling, or doing business in Norway, there might come a time when you need to make a complaint. Whether it's about a product, service, or another matter, expressing your concerns effectively and respectfully is essential. In our discussion today, we will guide you through the nuances of making a complaint in Norwegian, from the language to the culture considerations, starting with polite expressions. In Norwegian culture, it's crucial to remain polite, even when upset or disappointed. To start your complaint softly, you can say beklager, beklager, beklager. I'm sorry. Use this to open your complaint politely. Unnskyld, 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 excuse me. Another polite opener, especially if you're trying to get someone's attention. State your complaint clearly. Use the following phrases to clearly and concisely explain your complaint. Det er noe galt med. Det er noe galt med. Det er noe galt med. There's something wrong with. Jeg er ikke fornøyd med. Jeg er ikke fornøyd med. Jeg er ikke fornøyd med. I'm not satisfied with. Dette er ikke det jeg bestilte. Dette er ikke det jeg bestilte. Dette er ikke det jeg bestilte. This is not what I ordered. Explain the problem. Go into more detail about your complaint. Produktet virker ikke. Produktet virker ikke. Produktet virker ikke. The product doesn't work. Tjenesten var forsinket. Tjenesten var forsinket. Tjenesten var forsinket. The service was delayed. Jeg føler meg lurt. Jeg føler meg lurt. Jeg føler meg lurt. I feel cheated. Expressing stronger discontent. If you feel that your complaint isn't being addressed properly, you can use these phrases. Dette er uakseptabelt. Dette er uakseptabelt. Dette er uakseptabelt. This is unacceptable. Jeg forventet bedre fra deres selskap. Jeg forventet bedre fra deres selskap. Jeg forventet bedre fra deres selskap. I expected better from your company. Kan jeg snakke med sjefen? Kan jeg snakke med sjefen? Kan jeg snakke med sjefen? Can I speak to the manager? Seeking a resolution. After stating your complaint, you may wish to suggest or ask for a solution. Hva kan gjøres med dette? Hva kan gjøres med dette? Hva kan gjøres med dette? What can be done about this? Jeg vil gjerne ha en erstatning. Jeg vil gjerne ha en erstatning. Jeg vil gjerne ha en erstatning. I'd like a replacement. Jeg vil gjerne ha en refusjon. Jeg vil gjerne ha en refusjon. Jeg vil gjerne ha en refusjon. I'd like a refund. Kan dere fikse dette? Kan dere fikse dette? Kan dere fikse dette? Can you fix this? Thanking and closing. Always end your complaint politely. Takk for hjelpen. Takk for hjelpen. Takk for hjelpen. Thanks for the help. Jeg håper dette kan løses snart. Jeg håper dette kan løses snart. Jeg håper dette kan løses snart. I hope this can be resolved soon. Cultural considerations. Be direct but polite. Norwegians appreciate directness. You can be straightforward with your complaint, but always maintain a level of politeness. Stay calm. It's essential to remain calm and composed even if frustrated. Raising your voice or becoming overly emotional can be considered impolite and counterproductive. Listen actively. If someone is trying to explain or provide a solution, give them your full attention. Listening is a sign of respect. Making a complaint in Norwegian doesn't have to be daunting. You can effectively address your concerns with the right phrases and clearly understand the cultural context. Remember to remain polite, direct, and patient for the best results. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with the Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, private one-on-one Norwegian classes, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.